Got a dashboard cam going. Somebody just died. Yeah. Oh snap.
I think a little longer going 50. There is a lot of money there.
Good lightning.
Sir, get inside. Don't be patrolling right now.
Oh damn!
Whoa! Oh my goodness! That was crazy.
21 miles or down.
Oh! Bushnell's getting dominated.
Freaking War of the Worlds, dude.
The lightning hit the ground. Best of all, with the green coffee bean extract, you can eat whatever you want and still lose the weight from day one.
Yep.
Explain to me why the clouds are really dark right there, and then it's like, is that because of the rain?
That's awesome, dude.
The rain and the front of the storm is lower than the. It's like a mountain.
Oh god.
I wish I wouldn't have gone this way. It's like,
Get around now.
It's a fact. You can make thousands of dollars flipping houses. Discover the secret house flipping formula from Dave and Pete, the stars of A&E's #1 hit show, Flipping Boston, for free. Hi, it's Pete and Dave. We're giving you our flipping formula. It's what we use to flip a great house, flip it fast, and get paid. It's time to stop just talking about flipping houses and stop doing it.
my toes are getting tingly.
That lightning is crazy.
Getting
nervous?
The lightning.
We're about to get struck by lightning.
Just pay processing. That's 800-610-7660.
Oh my goodness.
Are we like right on the storm? We're still a few miles out.
I can understand those clouds to the left. Oh my goodness.
Those are striking buildings as we speak.
Oh!
God. That lightning is... Oh no, what happens if like a car gets struck? Is the person inside like...
We'll be okay. We'll probably won't be able to hear or see for a minute.
That'd be really bright, dude.
It'll be so loud.
But we should be okay. Ooh, we should be okay though.
Just make a noise when you hit the car?
Yeah, it'd be incredibly loud noise. Dang!
That was awesome. Zeus is like...
Zeus is...
Did you do that on the phone? Did you do that on the phone?
Yeah.
That was crazy. That's a good one.
It would be louder than a gun going off in our area if we get struck by lightning.
Really?
It'll be incredibly
Well, we
loud.
just saw a funnel cloud starting to form, guys. Oh my
You'll know it if we get struck.
Holy...
Oh, damn! This is awesome.
And not...
How many miles away is it?
It's not
Cuba
far.
left. We just missed our chance.
We could have...
That's bad.
Oh my god! That was pretty close.
I just looked at it through the camera.
Mind if I crack the window a tad so we can hear thunder?
Cracking the window.
So we can hear thunder?
Crack the window.
Don't crack the window.
I want to hear the thunder.
Here.
Oh!
That was pretty close.
I think so.
Hit it.
The whole sky is like lighting up, dude. What if our back tires start to come off the ground?
Oh dang! That was pretty close.
God damn it. We're about to die.
Damn,
Later.
Christian.
Freaks out here.
Oh, that was like right by those trees. Oh my god.
I need to make another tweet because my last tweet has anything to do with when they live once and then they die. I need to make it so.
There's some thunder. Yeah, it's just this next one.
Yeah, semi's in a hurry.
I wonder if this video is going to be.
Oh! Woo!
That was awesome.
That was a. That was
What are
like.
you doing?
That's the
Fuck
fucker.
yeah! We're supposed to let it be the lead
Yeah,
blocker.
Oh my god. Whoever's over there is
Supposed to be the
dead.
lead blocker.
We got a new lead blocker.
We got a semi in front of us.
If there's anyone who lives over there, they're dead for sure.
I was in my basement.
There's probably only like 4 people.
Dude, there were some big ass. Those streaks are awesome.
Oh my god.
You have a camera that's awesome.
Are we pretty close here?
So
Ah! It's Silo!
It did, didn't it? I looked like it was right there.